Okay, up to now we've just looked at progress to date, but managers are also interested in forecasting, given the information that we have, what the final cost of the project might be. And so one of the things that is commonly used is to use the CPI to forecast the cost at completion. And here we have the formula. Estimated cost at completion based on the forecast is BAC minus the earned value divided by AC, which simply put is the CPI, plus the actual cost to date. So let's put in these numbers and see what we get. Remember that the project is supposed to cost $206,000. At the end of the 8th period, we've earned $150,000 worth of work, which has been accomplished. You divide that 154 by the actual cost, which was 131, and then we include the cost to date, and $131,000 has been spent at the end of the 8th period. So we go ahead and take this formula, and 206 divided by 154 is 52, divided by the earned value, the CPI of 1.18 plus 131. We do the math on that. We find that the estimated cost of completion is now $175,000. So now we want to see how much over or under budget we are. And this is where the variance of completion based on the forecast comes into play. And all that is taking this number and dividing it by how much we expected the project to cost, the BAC, which in this case was 206. 206 minus 175, and that equals 31. So if we continue to get $1.18 on the dollar, we now forecast that we will be $31,000 under budget. And this forecast is probably pretty good because it's based on the project being 3/4 of the way done, which suggests that CPI should be pretty stable, and this forecast should be fairly accurate.